Hello everyone, my name is Panyawusi Siranusorn. I and my team are from Nara Institute of Science and Technology. Today, we would like to present the paper named Does Code Review Promote Conformance? A study of OpenStack patches. We provide our preprint in archive. You can access it by using the QR code that we provide in the slide. First of all, what is the modern code review? This is the process that allows reviewers to discuss new patches before successfully integrated into the project code. Prior work has shown that similar coding patterns are related to the acceptance of a patch. They also found that rejected changes contain code significantly less similar to the project. This figure demonstrates how the code review is performed. You can see more detail about it in our paper. So, to investigate the coding pattern in the code review, we define the keyword of the conformance as similarly repetitive written code patterns that appear in prior accepted patches for a project. The code chain below is consistent with other patches that have been accepted. We regard this as a conformance. So, we would like to know that the relationship between the code review and conformance. This motivates us to focus on the main question. Does code review promote conformance? To investigate the main question, we form the two research questions. First, does a patch coding pattern conform to the project after it has been reviewed? Second, are there coding patterns difference between accepted and abandoned patches? For the first question, we found that patches tend to contain natural coding pattern and more conformance after review. And the Python programmer concerned the conformance during a code review more than the authors. For the second question, there are differences in the coding pattern between the accepted and the abandoned patches group. And patches themselves are sufficient to measure the coding pattern of the patch. In conclusion, the code review promotes conformance. The expert could use our results as motivation for exploring tool support of conformance coding patterns. On the other hand, newcomers could increase the likelihood for acceptance by looking at prior submitted patches. We hope that our work will contribute to the developer society. Feel free to look more detail in our paper. Thank you very much for your attention.